Hey fam, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Nye, where we talk filmmaking, photography, and travel. Now, if that tickles your fancy, support the channel by gently tapping that subscribe button. We appreciate you. Today, we're gonna go over smart collections versus keywords, video and audio rows, and if you stay to the end, we'll share a huge time-saving pro tip with Master Library. Now, after a day out capturing videos, you come back home and you're probably pretty excited about editing your footage and uploading it. But if you just spend a little bit of time in the beginning to get organized, and we promise you'll save so much more time and the editing process will be so much quicker, and you can do that with keywords and smart collections. So let's get started. Best way to do this in my experience is by creating folders and separating your footage into proper folders. For example, we have this folder here called master client. Inside this folder we have folders for what and where the footages are coming from, but because we're not working on any client projects at the moment, we don't have any footage, but we do have footage from my last YouTube video called Final Cut Pro Beginners, and we'll make sure to put the video in the description if you want to watch after. But we have two folders. One is A roll Osmo and the second one is B roll. Once you get all of your footages organized into their folders in Final Cut Pro, when you're importing, you want to make sure where it says from folders is checked under keywords. Once you're done importing, notice under the event you have this little key icon, and these are keyword collection, which is the name of your folders. Now, if you click on each one, you'll notice you get the footages located inside each folder. So instead of searching your media browser for the right footage, this helps you narrow down your result. Still watching? If so, support the channel by gently tapping that subscribe button. You know you want to. We'll give you a few seconds to do that. Oh yeah, turn on notification while you're at it so you know when we drop a new video. Your support means that we can continue to make these free videos. We appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. Now, what if you want to take it a step further? And this is probably one of the most underrated features of Final Cut Pro, and it's called smart collections. When you click this drop down, it already has some smart collections, as you can see. It says all video, video only, favorites, projects, and stills. But you can create new smart collections and add rules. So I'm going to select some footage here, and I'm going to favorite these two clips. One is a video and the other is a still. The keyboard shortcut for favorite is the letter F. Once we favorited a video, you'll notice on the top of the clip it has a green line going across. If we click where it says favorites, you'll notice both the video and the image that we just favorited are now together. But you want to work just with the video or just the image. Smart collection allows you to do that. To do it, right click on smart collections. You can create the smart collections either under smart collections or under your event. That's up to you. Go down to where it says new smart collections. By default, it will be untitled, but we'll change that to faves, video only. From there, double click on the smart collection. After that, you'll get this pop-up window. Over on the right, you'll see the plus symbol. Once you click that, you'll notice you'll have these options. But for today, we're going to select ratings, leave it at favorite. Then we're going to hit the plus symbol again. This time, we're going to select media type, leave it as is, and then we're going to select audio video. You'll notice the image is gone and it's just the video. You can see how powerful this is and how you can really filter all of your footage. So now you have all of your footages selected and favorited. The next step is applying video and audio rows, and there's two ways that you can assign roles. One, you can right-click on the actual footage and then go to where it says assign video role or assign audio role and assign video role. Two, you can go to your menu and slide to where it says modify, and then from there go to where it says assign audio role or assign video role. And if you come down just a little bit, this is where you can also edit your roles, so you can add custom roles. By default, you have title, role, video role, and then for audio, you have dialogue, effects, and music. Now, don't do yourself a disservice, because after you organizing all of your footage, by assigning video and audio roles, you can color coordinate all of your footages in the timeline. And it just makes it really easy to identify what is what in your timeline. This takes me to where we said in the beginning of the video about our huge time saver pro tip. Now, over in the sidecar, we've built a master library, and inside the master library, we've created different projects. One of those projects is our master, where we've done everything we spoke about today, and we even went a little bit further. And you can see from all the footages and the timeline that we've assigned different roles. We've layered it with sound designs, and we also made adjustments in terms of like colors and fonts. So once you have your first pass of editing complete, we just copy and paste these essentials. Now, depending on whatever industry that you're working for, you can build these essentials for yourself, and you can title it in your master. And the beauty of audio and video roles is not only does it color coordinate everything for you, but if you can see right here on where it says dialogue, effects, foley's, and music, if you have the option of like collapsing them if you want it to, as you can see here. But the real power is this button here on the far right. Now, if you click on this, you'll notice all the other audio file is collapsed, and you just have, because we don't have any dialogue, that doesn't work. So if I just check this little circle where it says effects, you notice how all the others collapsed, and we have this one here where it's expanded. Or if I go to Foley, you'll notice how it changes there. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll make sure to answer them for you. If you've made it to the end of the video and you still haven't supported the channel by gently tapping the subscribe button, we're speechless. Now, to the fans that have and continue to support me, thank you very much. We really do appreciate each and every one of you. Take care, and we'll see you on the next video.